Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to add sequential numbers in Excel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Okay, so you need to add a list of numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down your spreadsheet. Typing them manually is a huge pain, especially if you need hundreds or even thousands of numbers. So, how can we do this quickly and efficiently? Well, there are a few different methods we can use. First, let's look at the simple drag method. In the first cell, let's say A1, we'll type 1. In the next cell, A2, we'll type 2. Now select both cells, A1 and A2. See that little square in the bottom right corner of the selected area? That's the fill handle. Hover your mouse over it until it turns into a black plus sign. Then, click and drag it down as far as you need. Excel will automatically recognize the pattern and fill in the sequential numbers. Boom! Easy, right? Now, what if you want to add numbers in increments other than 1? No problem. Let's say you want to add numbers in increments of 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8. You just do the same process, but start with your desired increment. In A1 type 2. In A2 type 4. Select both, then drag down using the fill handle. You'll see Excel fills in the rest, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Okay, another way is to use the series feature. Let's say we want to fill a column with numbers from 1 to 100. In cell A1, type 1. Now go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Editing group, usually on the right side, click on the Fill button. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Series. A Series dialog box will pop up. In the Series In section, choose Columns, because we want our numbers to go down a column. Under Type, make sure Linear is selected. In the Step value, enter 1 if you want increments of 1. In the Stop value, enter 100. Click OK, and Excel will fill in the numbers 1 to 100 in column A. Lastly, let's talk about using formulas. In cell A1, type 1. In cell A2, type equals A1 plus 1. This formula tells Excel to take the value in the cell above, A1, and add 1 to it. Now, just select cell A2, grab the fill handle, and drag it down. Each cell will automatically calculate the next number in the sequence. This method is particularly useful if your starting number or increment is linked to another cell, allowing you to dynamically adjust the sequence. So there you have it. 3 different ways to quickly and easily add sequential numbers in Excel. The drag method is the fastest for simple sequences. The series feature is great for filling larger ranges with specific start and end values. And formulas offer the most flexibility for dynamic sequences. Which method do you find the most helpful? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.